In this video, we will see how inventory works in the system. First, go to the inventory role. Here, you will find the settings option. You will also see how inventory stock is managed. Under stock management, all related options are available. Let's start with settings. Here, you will find basic settings, like inventory type and measurement status. Next, we will create an asset manager. The asset manager will be location-wise. For example, different managers can be assigned for different departments. Now, we will select the location and save it. This way, the asset manager will be created. After that, we will set up inventory items. Here, you need to select the inventory type, whether it is an asset or expense. Then select the category. For example, laptop. You can also add a subcategory and enter the item name. Next, select whether the item is trackable or not. Also choose if it is returnable, yes or no. If it is not trackable, you don't need to fill the below details. But if it is trackable, you need to add specifications. Set the stock level and unit of measurement. For example, quantity 10 and unit as boxes. Once tracking is enabled, you will start receiving notifications when stock is low. You can also add specific details here. Now your basic inventory setup is complete. Next, we will add inventory stock. Since we already created the inventory item, we will now add stock. To add stock, select the item. For example, a laptop. The inventory item will appear. You can check its category and subcategory. Now enter the location and SKU number. After that, enter the quantity. You can also add details like system tag, model number, company, brand name, and serial number. Once you enter the quantity, the stock will be added. This is how we add stock. You can also add stock in bulk. Download the sample file, fill the data, upload it, and save it. Your bulk stock will be added. Now, let's check the current stock. You can view stock location-wise or by inventory type. For example, if we check laptops, the quantity is 2. You can also view the ledger. Here, you can see stock added based on SKU number. You can also check stock for different locations. Stock transfer means transferring stock from one location to another. You can view from which location it was transferred to which location and the transfer date. Repair stock shows items sent for repair, which vendor has them, until when. Off select shows items that are deactivated, along with their location and status. To perform these actions, simply select the item and choose whether you want to transfer, repair, or off select. When stock is transferred, the receiving location will accept it. Once accepted, the system confirms the transfer. You can also assign assets directly to an asset manager. If an asset is requested from another location, approval can be taken, and the asset will be transferred. This is how asset manager and inventory roles work together. Now, let's move to employee stock. Here, you can see which assets are requested by employees. You can take action on these requests. Closed requests are also visible here. You can directly assign assets to employees. Select the location. Choose the item, KO. Enter the quantity and assign it based on project and date. If more than one quantity is needed, you can assign that as well. Now, let's see return requests. You can check which items employees have returned. You can accept or reject the return. After return, the item will be visible in the return list. You can also check how much stock is pending with each employee. You will see details like item name and quantity. In accepted returns, you can view the list of returned items. And this is how inventory is managed in the system. Found this useful? Save it for future reference. Follow us for more helpful content. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for complete details.
Try OZ Office Management today.